Yo, I know why she did it, bro. To get back some control. I thought it was rather bold. I know we are made of gold. Though we've forgotten. Allowed our brains to get stuck in a small slot and rot, and we all be robot and around all day long. Like, what was that? Was I actually wrong? God forbid that I would have to admit it one day. Oh, Lord have mercy, I do pray. So I wanted to correct myself. Play-Doh, it was true forms is with a capital F. So the big F forms are the real forms. So my real form, is on another level of being that is not detectable by my mortal eyes exactly. There's something else. They say there's a third eye. This is, the Hindus always put these bindis here and tikka on their forehead. I think that's basically the eye that can actually see beyond this reality, and you're able to perceive the image, the truer image of yourself, and of that which we call our reality, ultimately that which we call God, will be revealed to us through our connection. Our alignment with our true eye will reveal the true reality to us. So yeah, forms with a capital F, wanted to clear that up. Te ਹੋਰ ਕੀ? La 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 la. La 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 la. Ooh la la la. Ooh la 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 la. Ooh la, ooh la, ooh la, ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. They've got so much things to say right now. They've got so much things to say. Babble, so much things to say. They've got so much, so, so much books to speak. They've got books and books to speak. Books and books and books for days. But still lost on their ways. Sad it makes me every day. I could cry and cry all day. Cry, oh cry, I could cry all day. Cry and cry for days. Lamenting all this potential, oh yeah. Flushing down the drain, the pain. Oh, 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 ooh la la, mama, 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 mama mia, mama mia, oh yeah, where have we all gone, have we? forgotten how we shone. Oh, oh, at our very inception. Oh, yeah. We were the first dawn. Oh, oh, don't you know, don't you know, oh, oh, let me tell you so. If you don't know, oh, oh, let me little low, oh, oh, come on, bro, you know, I know, and it's okay, so, let go. You're not gonna win this way, oh no. You can't win at all. You are only big in ego. You are really small. So small. Lol, 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 oh lol, 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 oh. You are really small. Ooh, lol. Oh, and I will never forget, no way, how they crucified Jesus Christ. And I'll never forget, no way, how they sold Marcus Garvey for rice. And I'll never forget, no way, how they turned their backs on lovely Lori that night. And she will never ever forget, no way, how we lost our way, went astray, and all we pray. So don't you ever forget, no way, who you are and where you stand in this struggle. Oh, oh, and if you're messed up, it's never too late. You know love will always overcome hate. We can all forgive each other. I'm your sister, I am your brother. We got one mother, and there is no other. But they've got so much things to say right now. They've got so much things to say. Babble, so much things to say right now. They've got so much things to say. Oh, oh, books and books and books. Oh, yeah, books and books. Hey, hey. So much books to speak right now. Forgot how to shut their beak right now, you know. Now you're gonna get it from low. Oh, oh. And I now come in flesh and blood and see spiritual wickedness in high and low places. And though you fight me down, I'll stand firm and give Jah all my thanks and praises. And I don't expect to be justified by these laws of man. And though the wicked find me guilty, Jah will prove my innocence here. And when the rain falls, it don't fall on one man's house top. You remember that? See, when the rain falls, it don't fall on women's housetop. No, no, siree, Bob. And when freedom reigns, she's not gonna rain on only one housetop. When freedom reigns, when freedom reigns, she's gonna rain on every housetop. Not only on the White House and the Vatican and City of London Bank housetop. No, 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 Jack. Oh, 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 ah, 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 ah. She's gonna rain on every housetop. I hope you got la 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 la. Rain on every housetop. You remember that? La